Hey, what's going on, folks? So, gonna try and, trying to show you how to disassemble this Panasonic HC-V160 camera today. So yeah, you want a very small screwdriver. I've already taken the screws out, but I'll show you where to take the screws out from. So the first two is across here. There's two here, and this is where the strap is on your camera. That just pulls off. So the next thing is this cover here, and there is one screw hole there and one there. I'm not sure if that holds that in place, but I think it might, so you want to take that out. And then this pops off. Got to be nice and gentle, make sure you don't break it, but switch just popped out there. The next thing is the I'm going to take this part, and this connects to this part here too, and you want to disconnect this. I actually broke mine, so you want to disconnect this ribbon cable from this connection to the thing under there. You want to pull that out with maybe some tweezers or something. I broke mine, so be careful about that. To pull this part off, you just start to pull it off here. Be gentle, and then the other parts just pull off. And then this part just sits in here. Oh, also, there is a couple of screws that you have to undo from this. One of them's there, and then there's a couple on the top here. So make sure you have those out. And then this here just comes out. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. I'm not sure what I have to replace. I was watching one video, the guy said it could be these motors here on the bottom. This is my old camera, and I dropped it and it stopped working. I'm also wondering about this ribbon cable, because when I tried to get this to go back in, this ribbon cable, the thing seemed to not work. It seemed to be broken, this thing here on this side. So what I was wondering is if that possibly broke when I dropped it and doesn't have a good connection. Obviously I don't even have it now, so I was thinking maybe I dropped it, and maybe when I took it apart I broke it, but I actually think maybe now possibly it was from dropping it. It broke, and then that wasn't in there properly. Anyway, that's something to figure out maybe. That's something to try out at some point. But yeah, putting it back together. You want to chuck this on first, and you kind of just push this in, and then can be a bit tricky. This kind of has to be above. You see kind of how I lifted that out like that, so let's go on. Let's see. There we go, and then just push this down. normally. Oh wait, that ain't on properly. See, pushes down. So yeah, you want to make sure this is all good. And check this case back on. Obviously putting all the screws back in too. I don't know where I put mine because I took it apart quite a while ago. And it seems to have all clicked back into place. It's working. Sometimes if it's not clicked back into place properly somewhere, won't go all the way down that thing, I've noticed, but yeah. And where's our final part? There we go, it's back together. Yeah, sweet. Hopefully I'll get it going again one day. I think I'm going to try that though, try and replace that connection for the ribbon cable. Sweet, cheers.